communication exercise and other tabletop exercise, again, as part of our security preparation for election po. This has nothing to do doon sa mga issues relating doon sa alleged issuance po ng warrant of arrest ng ICC.
Nilinaw din ni Fajardo na wala pa silang hawak na warrant of arrest laban kay Duterte.
As of now, ma'am, wala pa po tayong verifiable information as to the reported na warrant of arrest issued by the ICC.
Wala rin daw magiging papel ang PNP sakaling maglabas ng warrant of arrest ang ICC. Maliban na lamang kung ang ICC o Interpol ang humingi ng tulong sa pambansang pulisya. Paliwanag ni Fajardo, meron kasing kasunduan sa Interpol at PNP gaya ng ginawang pagtulong ng Indonesia para maaresto si Alice Go.
The ICC has no way to directly giving orders sa PNP or any other law enforcement for that matter po. So wala po tayong magiging